Hi, I'm John Olhoft from LulzBot. We're here at the Bondtech and Slice booth at Rapid TCT 2024, and I'm pretty excited to take a look at the hardware that we've found works really well on our LulzBots. From Bondtech, we've got a really cool extruder setup. So this is the LGX Pro. Luckily, we've been able to get the LGX Pro with both 285 millimeter filament as well as 175. So that's made our whole platform really versatile. We love being able to swap our tool heads depending on the feedstock and use it for that purpose. Coupled with the slice components underneath, of course, the tool head that we have printing today is the Slice Magnum Plus. We've got a 2.4 millimeter nozzle on that, printing 1.8 millimeter layers. This is pretty extreme when it comes to putting out plastic fast. We just started this print this morning and it's almost half done already, so it'll be pretty fun to see that at the end of the day. As we've used the LGX extruder, one of the things that's been really nice is the indexing positions for the tensioning. This is especially helpful for our TPUs and flexible products, which many customers turn to LulzBot for when it comes to printing successfully with those materials. Whether it's a Fortune 500, military, school, library, any of them have a much better onboarding and training process as far as those tensioning positions. Being able to simply show them that one click works great for a rigid material, and then the following positions 2 through 5 can be ratcheted up depending on the amount of the shore hardness for your flexible material has been really easy to teach. So we've been super happy there. The hardened steel gears on the internals have been a nice bonus. We go the pro route on everything with those metal gears and have had really good luck from that standpoint. We also tend to use a little bit longer stepper motor with the Pro. We find that you get just a little bit more driving power, and that's been really nice, especially as we get into our more advanced materials, carbon-filled PA6s and 12s. It's been really good on our hardware. So we're again happy to be here with the Slice and Bondtech booth and really enjoying the show.